How to take backup all Gmail's emails. Open Google Chrome. Now select your profile. Now select your profile picture. You will be find manage your Google account. Now click manage your Google account. You will find data and privacy here. Double click data and privacy and scroll down and found download your data and double click it. From here you will find Google Takeout option. If you just want to take backup only Gmail account or emails of Gmail, then first you deselect all. After that you have to find the Gmail option from here. Now scroll down and find where is the Gmail option. Here is the mail option and select it and go to the end and select next step and click it. Here you will find some backup destination options like send download link via email or add to Dropbox, add to OneDrop, add to another box. Now I am select the send download link via email. Other option is frequency. You can download one time. You can download export every 2 months for 1 year. And there is option of file type zip or .tgz and file size also. You can choose 2 GB, 4 GB, 1 GB. And now you click the create export options. After that you will find a download options. You can click the download options and it will ask your password of Gmail. Give the password of Gmail. And click next. And again you find the download options and your download will be start. After a few seconds your mail download to your computer. This is the process by which you can download your Gmails into your computer. Here is my downloaded backup mails. Thank you friend. See you again.